Hello, this is Sania Patel and you're welcome to HW News English. A violent clash took place between BJP and Trinamool Congress workers in Nandigram, West Bengal. According to media reports, a female BJP worker has died while 7 BJP workers were injured. The incident is said to have happened late on Wednesday night, May 22 in Sonachura, Nandigram. It is alleged that TMC members attacked BJP workers with sharp weapons. During this clash, BJP woman worker Rakhi Bala Adi lost her life. In response to the attack, BJP members protested by blocking the road. BJP leader Ratin Maiti stated that people of a particular religion attacked Hindu families in the Sonachura area, which is why they are blocking the road. He added that Abhishek Banerjee came and made provocative remarks leading to the attack. However, TMC has rejected the BJP's allegations. TMC leader Sheikh Sufyan said that this incident is infighting among BJP members and the TMC has nothing to do with it. BJP's District General Secretary Meghnath Paul said, and I quote, Ari and several others party workers were given the responsibility to guard a local polling booth last night. TMC-backed criminals attacked them. She was murdered and others were injured there. Among the 7 people reportedly injured, the condition of one was critical, and the person was shifted to a hospital in Kolkata, he added. TMC leader in Nandigram, Swadesh Das, dismissed the allegations, claiming that there were some family disputes and the killing could be the consequence of that. Another senior officer of the district police said that an investigation into the woman's killing is underway. The Nandigram Assembly constituency, which falls under the Tamluk Lok Sabha seat, is scheduled for polls on May 25. This is not the first clash to come in limelight in West Bengal. Previously, in every phase of the Lok Sabha elections, clashes have erupted, resulting in many injuries and some fatalities. TMC and BJP workers have been rivals for many years, leading to numerous conflicts. Both parties have consistently blamed each other for all the clashes that have occurred to date. Well, that's all for this Mood Tiranga today. Thank you for watching HW News English. Download our app Shorts to get the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.